Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Jen's Crafty Corner. I'm going to be doing another unboxing today. Let's get into it. Alright, it looks like we have another packing slip from Shirley on Bling Nail One. I'll link the channel, their TikTok in the description. And I gave a bunch of notes for the nail charms, the resin nail charms that I wanted. So let's get into it. 10 scoops. Okay, first up I have these golden chopsticks. They are not food grade, they are very much decoration. I probably will put something cute at the end and maybe use them as hairpins. What do you guys think about that? So here is my freebie. I have a thank you card from Shirley. And here is my first scoop. Some black resin camellia flowers. So let me get some of them out so you can see. They're very tiny and they're very pretty. And what I do with these is I kind of glue them with UV nail glue onto some nails. I have a lot of press-on nails that I do this with. And so these are my first, kind of zoom in on them. There we go. This is my first scoop of black with a little bit of silver. It's got like a little bit of dusting of silver on it. Camellia flowers. My second scoop are these bow ties, and I do remember that these are supposed to be luminous. That means glow in the dark, and so they're pretty orange right now, but I think they glow red in the dark. I'll have to figure that out. But they're really cute, and I will definitely have fun using them on my nails. That's cute. That's super cute. I have a luminous fox head. So you can't really see the detail of the fox besides the ears, but there is eyes and a little mouth on there. Next up I have some little luminous roses. Let me get a blue one so you can see the detail better. So these definitely glow in the dark. I think they probably glow the color that they are. These right next to the fox. And then I can put this one here. You can see it a little bit better. Oh, these are not bow ties. Okay, so we have some luminous bears. I thought they were bows, but they're bears. Some luminous teddy bears. Probably glow red or pink. Okay, next up we have another bear with a bow necklace. It's very cute. I think this one glows orange. It's got a little bow tie necklace. Bow tie around its neck. That's cute. That's gonna be really cute on the nail. Here we have a leaf. I don't think that it's supposed to be a pot leaf, but for some reason it looks exactly like a pot leaf to me. I think it's supposed to be a fall leaf. So as soon as it turns November, I'm definitely going to be rocking these on my nails. Very cute. Okay, next we have a sugary sweet resin charm. They look like candies to me. I used to love these kind of candies too, so they look delicious. Here is the close-up of them. Different colors here. I've got a yellow, blue, pink, and red. Take a look at that on my nail. Definitely want to use these in crafts. Sometimes I make magnets and like hair like what I was talking about with this, like glue some to the end and then put it in my hair. Definitely will make hair berets or hair ties out of that. Some little characters. I think this is either Kuromi or... Actually, I'm not sure who this is. I don't think this is Hello Kitty. I'm sure it's supposed to be a Sanrio, I don't know how to say it, a Hello Kitty friend. It looks like a bunny with a bow in their hair. Is my Melody? Not sure. Super cute though, little bunnies. Next we have some luminous hearts. And by the way, I think these ones are definitely luminous. I'm not sure about these. Let's show a luminous heart on the nail. It's definitely cute. Alright, next up we actually have HK. So some Hello Kitties. They are so adorable. You have the spotted bow in her hair and she's got her hand up to her mouth. I think that's like a giggle gesture, like she's laughing. So cute. So precious. I love these, and these, by the way, are definitely luminous. These delicate flowers are definitely my favorite kind of flowers. I love to put these on my nails. So I have a white and a blue flower nail charm. Cute! Cute, cute, cute. Alright, next up we have some neon bears. You've got green, pink, orange. So I grabbed out the green. Wow. They're really neon. I don't know if that's green or yellow. We'll say yellow. Cute, so cute. I must love teddy bears. That's my third different kind of teddy bear. The 13th charm. Let's go for 14. We have some pink camellia flowers. So we can compare those to the black ones. It looks like they're a little bit bigger.